Hey guys, I think a smoky eye is the one look everybody wants to learn how to recreate. So I'm here to teach you my way of creating a smoky eye. If you want to learn, then keep watching. So let's get started with this super smoky eye. So I'm going to be starting with my eyeliner, gel eyeliner, Black Track from MAC, okay? And I'm gonna be using a flat eyeshadow brush. This is more of a dense brush. This brush came with my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. So if you happen to have that palette, this brush would be great. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this with this flat eyeshadow brush. Okay, I'm gonna take some of the excess off on the cap, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying on my lid. And the reason why I want a flat brush is because it gives me more control. You don't want to get too messy with this black. You actually want to place the gel liner exactly where you need it to be, okay? And we're gonna try and keep it just on the lid. Taking my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I'm gonna take the color Riff, which is this color here, and I'm gonna do a transient color, okay? So taking a round blending brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of that color, tap off the excess. And actually, before I do that, I'm actually gonna take my loose setting powder, and I'm gonna apply a little bit on the bottom here, just in case if we get some loose shadow, we won't ruin my skin, which has already been done. So taking a little bit of that eyeshadow color Riff, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color on the crease from one end to the other, making windshield wiper moves. So just like a windshield wiper, back and forth. Then I'm gonna take a round blending brush, and I'm gonna take the brown color from this palette called Good as Gone, which is this dark brown here. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, tap off the excess, and we're gonna go right in the middle here to blend where I placed where that gel liner ended. And it has to be more of a smaller blending brush, so I'm going to show you the difference. If you could see, this brush is a little smaller, this one is a little bit wider, so it has to be a smaller brush because that way it gives you a little more precision. So I'm going to take a little bit of the color Jet, which is this dark black, with that same brush, taking just a tiny bit of it, and I'm gonna go right over again on the corner here. Next, we're gonna work our way on the bottom. So I'm gonna be using my eyeliner All Nighter from Urban Decay in the color Black. It's called Perversion. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the waterline, the bottom, bringing all the way across. And I'm gonna make it a little bit messy and get it on the lash, closer to the lash also. So that way I'm gonna blend it with my brush, okay? And I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it on the upper waterline. And I know this can be a challenge sometimes. And then taking a blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend the bottom part here. Then I'm going to be taking a round pointer brush. I'm gonna take that color Riff that I used as the blending color in the middle. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna bring it right underneath this black that I just applied. Just to give it a little more dimension. And then on the brow bone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the color Blaze. Taking a little bit of that color. I'm going to go ahead and apply it right underneath there with a flat eyeshadow brush. And this is really the only color that has shimmer in this whole makeup. For this eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and completely skip a liner because it's really not necessary, and even if I were to apply one, you couldn't see it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and put my lashes on. I feel with a look like this, it's so dramatic that you might as well just go with dramatic and big lashes. So I decided to go with something super voluminous and full and big, okay? I'm gonna go ahead now and apply my dip brow pomade on my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna shape my brows a little bit. And like I said, I always like to use a angled brush because this is more of a cream. And I start from the inner part of my brow and brush it upwards. And then same thing at the top. If you guys remember, I did apply some extra powder under here just in case I got some fallouts, which I did from that black shadow. So taking a clean brush, I'm just gonna brush this off. So for a look like this, because the eye is so dramatic, my go-to is always a nude lip because I think it just balances everything out. And my all-time favorite nude is Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm not even gonna do liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. And this is the final look. This is how I usually create my smoky eye. It's my go-to. It does require a little bit of practice, especially if you're working with gel liner. It's not a very simple eye look to do, but I think with practice, you guys can definitely manage how to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave me your thoughts below. Don't forget to like this video, share, and follow me on my social media. If you do recreate this look, please tag me because I love to see it. Till next time, bye.